one tear for the hook up so.
Bomba! I fight for no second place, a first place me I fight for. So here walk now, me I tell you what go on now. Me dey on 4 points and in the on 3.
Don't tell the
people listen up. He get stressed out. Yeah man, peeps, so we just forward, me never get to do no intro. You see me? And see it there? Man himself, you know. Nice little grunt. In first throw. As me I tell the peeps, me never get to do no intro at all.
First one, first throw, 1 shot, 1 kill.
What you mean, man? See it, peeps? Some of us are going intro same time, you know what I mean? Roll out on the sea today. First of all, welcome back to the channel, viewers, subscribers. You see me I say all over the world, yard and abroad. Yeah, man. See there, then I throw it back in line. Remember, man, we are trying to come out here from one night, but the weather be too bad. As you see it now, we rock them still wet on something called last night to get some shower same way. You get what I say? But welcome to all of the new viewers them, you see what I say? Yeah man. Yard and abroad. Bless up and respect. You see it? Me and Father Fox out here so far. We are waiting for explore. You see what I say? And then we touch out so. Just go and keep it locked to the channel, man. You see it? Yeah man, see it there? A grunt himself, you know? Yeah man. So we out here people, man, just press the like button. If you're not subscribed, just subscribe same time. You see it? Jamaica Lifestyle Blacks TV. Blessings to one and all.
I think we could try and get one.
Yeah. Again in the peeps.
Alright.
Father Fox. Alright. The man Miguel name that, you know. Yeah man. See him come up the peeps. Yeah man, nice bridging, you know. Why? You know when the Fox operate and I'm not joking, you know. Yeah man.
Operation Delta Force.
Ah, chairman peeps, see that? But we're out at same speed, man, I do the right thing, you know. Morning just starting up, peeps, you see me? So, go and keep it locked, man.
Next one last.
Man, soldier crabber we used to be it, you know. What a that.
Third one for Father Fox in the peeps.
Doctor.
Doctor?
Yeah.
Look you the doctor them from over there. Yeah man. Father Doctor himself, you know. This name soap, you know. See me?
Fish tea. Go on in the water, boy.
See man I go on. Beat and teach, you know. Yeah, the general third one, you know, man. You know them man a basket have a bossy, you know. Yeah, man, third one for general, you know what I mean? Yes, man. See it again. Father Fox, that, you know, man. I'm going to tell you the man in dust light, you know.
I reach nowhere yet, eh?
Yeah, man. Aye.
No pilot.
What? One day now come and you know, grab up a pilot. Yeah, yeah. Alright. See, register just mark the pilot, you know?
Register just mark. 1 pilot.
1 pilot.
Yeah man, that I register. It's a must catch one of the You.
Yeah. Yeah. Father, people. The one is huge. And you see it and I draw him up, you know. Yeah, man.
I think them, man.
So I go on peeps, huge. See him coming up. 2 of them the pioneer pilot. A blue pirate. Yeah man peeps. Take him up, let me down get the world safe. Take him up. Yes man. Yeah. See all with that talk say. A fine pirate. Yes man peeps, see that?
There's something out there, touch you and I let you go man. Nah, take it good.
On that peeps. Yo, let me put him up there for you man. See peeps? Look at. Fat boy man. Want to catch it clear phone in peeps. Yeah man. Yeah man, fat piece of blue boy, you know. See how them pretty?
Yeah, touch. Nah, take it.
I'm afraid they flash out and hold that fast.
Show me now man. Nah, flash out now.
Yes man, see it there? Boy, 7 fish in a man basket in a peeps. Yeah! Good look man. Yeah man peeps, so my first catcher. 2 for 1 special, you know? Top edition. You see me? Box a dose a tansa. Yeah man, 2 for 1 special, you know what I mean? So I go on Jack.
I go on.
And a parrot, you know? You see me?
No holy poly, but we have come plan to go look some more. Boy, them a touch out that too.
Fox attack to explore Jamaica
with the right
TV,
now.
you know, you see me?
The boss just catching the first 2 for 1 special too.
Yeah man, see it there.
Yeah man. Circle man. I tell you fish them a touch when they are no long time and them a go on.
So this is a jack and a parrot and a peeps, you see me?
Then say man, circle out here. No, if I'm not enough crab we have around.
What you man do, look to?
No, my friends have to look some crab too.
So, he glue them up here now in a peeps, because you don't know, you know. He glue full of ice to them, you know. Well loaded.
That much I tell you, get back. I don't know how I left my box in this one. I try to say time cool still, you know. Can't go string them up.
So, peeps. You know, out on a long time and it's a go on, man, you see it? Yeah, man, again, you know.
Point notes. This I setting, this is set.
You are setting from barrel line?
I no barrel line.
Don't forget to say, no wire.
But I'm not using no wire. Alright.
Setting from a big line and man, making swim carry going, man. See it there?
I pray no barrel take you.
Nah, pass that, you know. Nah, pass that.
Go on, go live.
I'm just set it off, you know. Yo! People say explore that forward, you know. We're afraid that man never come after, you know. And them man are danger man, you know. Yeah man, are danger man, you know. Alive, huh?
And I like dangerous youth.
Yeah, man them way. The man
Black
them way.
spec must string up your fish there, man.
I don't feel all what's string that.
Black spec must string up your fish. Yes sir.
I do all the fish up with ballast string all over.
A black fish them there.
Yes sir. Black fish they can't string up fish beam.
So boy.
Yeah man, are them man are danger man.
Blessed morning, you know? Yeah man, out here another time. I want to move.
Late come.
Boy they not work again, then turn off man.
Yeah sir. I mean them a wait for man.
Oh alright.
Alright, so you.
Never wait for man. You can see what I go down with them. No one they're pretty. As usual. Where you going with?
Yeah man, people 2 for 1 special with pilot. When competition start,
Start my blood is good.
see the people 2 that you know 4 points the man did up, you know.
No competition.
Maybe the duck fan when
So now that me I tell them I have to catch 4 points to reach something now.
Can't go and chat.
Yo, alright.
Can't go and chat.
Alright sir. Competition start now, you know.
There's a competition start now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
First,
You say that.
second and third. Fox.
No.
Watch him, you know. Watch him, you know, for.
There's a competition start now.
Yeah man, competition start now. So watch him, wanna watch him one another, you know. The man can't shake off nothing. You see what catch already? Catch already, brother. You see me?
Alright.
So, them they no count you know. So, new score you know, you know.
Yeah,
Oh man.
Yes, so that one in the count then.
What? If a pilot in the must count, man. Join him up, man.
No, for none of them body man. Just one
That-
show. Just one show.
Man, jaw for lobster in the face, car.
What?
Turn up.
lobster with us.
See what go on. They say nothing of the bunny. You're certain.
Yeah. Yeah, no,
Yeah.
come like sun.
So crowd of people, competition hot you know, you know. You remember, you know.
Judge
Pilot
your father gotta walk me man in Nigeria.
did up 2 points in the people. You see me? We tell you know the rules as it go along, you know. So the pilot boss them. We are catching 2 for 1 and 3 for 1. Alright. Well people, take the lead by 1 point, you know, sir. After me catch my butterfish, man, them say boy, a 1 point, you know. But me not cuss. We not tell them. 1 cocoa full basket. So I first one this in the babes. So me I lead them 1-0. How's the fox?
Why are 6 more who that me lose that so? Yeah man, it's
Yeah man, so people, take that 1-0, you know. Nice look about it, you know. 1-0, you know what I mean? So, you know, just go and keep it locked, man. Heart of love, you know, Tony, you know, yard and a broad, you know, man. You see it? Yes, man.
you get it up. Oh, Jack, like, cool this, 2 of them there.
Yeah, people, 2-1.
Yeah.
Jaja!
What's that?
Yo, 2 of them, you know, Jack. 2 for 1! The mother
Oh, this one happy, sir.
2 for 1!
Everybody want to.
The man now leave.
How will you catch?
Yo, Jack!
As soon as you want to
Look on that picture.
What? Jack that too.
Look on that pinky and you.
You say Pinky?
Jack man.
Boy, people, man, they gon' catch me back.
Going like I'm alone a striker.
How you hold, Jack?
2 of them.
Whoa! Fuck, stop to them.
I don't know I'm going like
Me
that.
down last, I know, you know.
One special.
Last me there, you know, you know. People, me go choke my line here, cause Jack a run, you know.
You got butter down, man.
Butter.
I'm alone a catch
One
the
more,
butter.
how much have you got now? 3. 3 points. Alright, babe, 3 man gone, you know.
Whoa.
Yeah, man, babe, so see leader there, man, you lead the score. So tell the people them score and like how you are lead the ball.
3-2-1.
3-2-1. So me the 3
Try
box
figure-
the 2 and you the 1.
Try to figure out the people who get 3 and who they 2 and who they 1.
Yeah, man.
Who do think they 1?
Who do think that 3? Who do think that 3 pigs? Who do think that 3? Tell me in a comment, eh?
Man, we're not going to tell them.
But babe, see how I go on now. We are going to go over in the bush to look some soldier crab. Then we attack up a suicide, you know? And I know a general and famous pilot up on them part there. See me? Real pilot boss them, you know, so. man, today be one day they all look for 18. Record set to the 20. You know?
Worry yourself, man. You catch 20 blue parrot today.
Alright, sir. So people just go and keep it locked, man, and big up on themselves, you know what I mean?
Get you up on the next.
Yeah, man. So people, so my two of them when I just jump, I couldn't get the action because, you know, the excitement, every man grab something out of the bed, you know?
Everybody like take up something.
Yeah, man. So I grab two, you know, peeps. 1, 2. Alright. Father Fox grab 1. Now go up the way, say Father Fox.
Just one of them.
Level me leveling square with you, you know.
Nothing wrong with that.
Leveling, you know.
I like a competition, you know.
Alright. Peeps, the Father Fox one, yeah. Yeah, man, see me. So, that means Father Fox gone 3. 3. Yeah, 3 jack. Since the competition start, I gone 3. Explore! 5, you know. That catch 2 nice one, you know. Yeah, man.
I'm big excited, like a man.
Yes, man.
Every man, my sister, so yo. Second bite.
Babes, I couldn't get the camera to catch the jaw in because I don't know the action is on, yeah. So, we now itching up, babes, because today I'm excited, you know, it scored a 5-3-3. Remember, if I catch a pilot, you lose 2 points. That's what I say. Congress 4. So more the man the leader just go so BAM! And join a Congress now, I feel good, you know. Yes, already I use no fox.
Yeah, man, we can't take a nap on it.
Alright, for boss. Alright, for boss, alright. You know when the dog drop in, rather trouble, you know, so go and keep it locked, babes, so there. Yeah, man, explore, hook something else in a sour fish, you know. 4 points deduct, so.
Don't go and chat, man. 1 pint.
Yeah, what?
It's a 1 pint.
1 pint? Alright, 2 we have put it. That no, we have just put it 2.
Deduct?
Yeah.
No deduct.
Yeah,
1
man.
pint, done.
Tell the man no better.
I idiot, man. No, when the fish don't catch, we never put the rules. So this is 1 pint for you.
Yeah.
The rule never did it for this. I'm bother with that.
So we can put on 1 pint to this.
I must add points and that can't take
So
that.
this have 1 pint set.
Yeah.
Alright then, alright then.
The rule never did it for you. All the point, the rule never did it for you.
I'm hungry. Yeah.
What that can you, man?
What can you? A 1 pint, man. No rule never defeats a 1 pint. That's it. I express the rules in the brother. So how do you go on? 1 piece of WhatsApp fish, 1 for this. So how much me there? 4 and you there 6. Right?
I don't me set the rule, but we never set the rule for that by you. So we can't, as it's something catch, we have to say, yo, great.
Alright, peeps.
Yo.
We could go and catch along, you know? Yeah! Father Fox! Take the second place, people. Let me explain to you what does go on. Them the 2 fish on the count, you know?
But the rule never
The soursop fish and the sucker, you see? So I let go the sucker, but the soursop fish there. So Fox step on 4 now. I step on 3. Explore the on 5. You get me? So me and Explore score remain the same, but Fox step up 1, you know? People make we continue then now. Yeah, man! Fox take a lead, people! That is it!
I can't believe it!
Yeah!
Yo, go on around that, man!
How can I bridging this?
Yeah, bridging.
So not now 1 pint is.
1 pint.
1 pint, so in the 5 and lose 2 drop back at 3.
Yo, I'm gonna get you to that.
What? Yeah, peeps! Yes!
I can't believe this around stuff.
Yo, people, him catch a bridging, you know. But he drop right back at 3 pints.
1 pilot do that.
1 pilot to that.
Yo!
How you feel, sir?
Good. Feel great.
My brother, you just the 4 and catch a nice size bridging, you know, and drop back at 3, you know.
And I tell you, part of the game.
In the back door.
Hold him Fox. Hold him Fox. Jack. Same type like how we are hold. Yeah man. Nice Jack that for Fox and up babes. Gone back and forth now my boss.
That's it.
Yes man. Right back I leader. My trembly now, you know, I know me have something out there to come here now, you know. You know? So go and bless up yourself, you know, my dad. Right. Yeah man, explore gone in 6 you know, you know, peeps. Why? Watch a 6. Bomba! Watch out now, people. Jesus! Look the man. Where's how much I take on now, Watch it.
And bigger one, the hole in the first before that one I got.
Hold him up more, man.
With the hook and everything.
Nice sitting there with him. Yeah. Up.
Yeah, boss. Yeah.
You take your win today. You take your win today.
So one bigger one take you a while ago, you know, you would tear off the first hook, you know.
First hook gone.
Yeah. And then me let you down back and then that one I take it. First one I take him man. Tear off the hook. Yeah.
Yeah man, bless up man, you're leading up than 6.
Bless it.
Yeah man, babe, so grab my 4th one, you know. Blue runner. But man, send him down back.
Then I dry him up something. Grab him by his tail.
Yeah man. A barra. Yeah man, a barra grab him, you know.
A barra grab him there, so.
Yeah man, see it all there, so to be so. Pin him man.
Send him down back.
Send him down. A barra bite off the line since morning already in the field, so. Hook him as support.
Yeah, so hook little bit man.
Yeah.
A little bit man, I see what that can hold the whole barra man. You use one of your hook then.
Same side.
You go your hook and stronger.
So this can hook him. Can he eat it, we hook him, no? Don't need a trial and a fail, you know.
You lose him, you just lose him.
Lose him, that's it. Right, sir. I'm borrow 10 pints.
No pints.
Borrow 10 pints, brother.
It's just a fish like everybody.
Come on, man. What is that? I have a weird feeling sick now.
Watch it to barrier come, watch it to barrier come.
Yeah man, babe, so Fox was in 5th one. Right up on the box skin. Box. You ain't not trouble in a boy. 4, 5, 6, yes. Bring him come the boy. Let the people and see him boy. Where my move, sir?
When one get good. I want to know in a case now. They can't get that for 1 hour.
Watch him man. So that a Fox, 5th fish. Explorer gone 6. Trouble in I camp in a paper.
What's you got?
4 me gone. Yeah man. 5 can come anytime too. Now we out here though. Yeah man.
I catch a pilot for your key and lead man.
People, me no follow him here sir.
Don't tell him I catch a pilot for key and lead car.
Yeah, what reaching down the
want go second place. So me make sure I go second
place. Me not fight for no second place. A first place me a fight for. So you walk now, me I tell you what go on now. Me dey on 4 pints and in the on 3.
Don't tell the people.
People listen up. He get stressed out.
No, I'm not stressed out.
No more.
Remember your boss say?
No, nobody
Yeah,
tell the
loose.
people them that.
And
Listen, no.
You can't manage that every day.
Listen, no
brother.
explore.
So, you can't manage that every day.
The
So, you
people
want
them.
at least
What
second.
on the people? Me I tell you what go on, man.
Go, listen him now.
Who no favorite, you know? You saw no favorite to happen to him now. Last.
That's just to that talk. You look on that bridge now. Me carry right back this
I know that.
Right back up.
Hold on, no, man. I
Right
know that.
now. Just because they attack, I'm not sure you
Go
say.
catch our next pilot.
I'm sure you something now, because you see true, yeah.
Go catch our next pilot.
That talk, after me done say, I carry over it, make you go second place and feel like
Yo,
it.
babes.
But remember how you done say no, boy, you're sorry Rasta no there, because you're sure that come third, you won't come last.
Yeah. So you know so me come here now. Second.
Second you come.
No, not even true what I don't care. What will I do now?
Yo,
I
you
say
wanna
no
see
catch no
it?
pilot.
You want to say quit?
At
Yo,
4
what's up?
o'clock
Already, I know.
flat. It no matter. Can me come second, so if you know I call it.
You're not ready now, you're not ready now.
Yeah, anytime now.
I'm not joking, son. Yeah? Not joking, me like.
So people, me I make the winner talk, you know, the winner competition, you know.
I go and scale up, you know.
Yeah, man. Show the people let me catch, man. And I have to show the people let me catch idea, man.
Them I see what go on,
You see
man.
me?
But I know, say, when it come to war and back, you know, I see when it come to serious time. You know,
You don't lose.
when it come to serious time,
You don't play for lose.
you know, play, you see me, you play for lose as a dancer, you see me.
When the people them favorite to come last after second.
Well, I enjoy the last place at today, you know. Still going good.
People them are showing in catching a but. Why? Me I explore and say you know more people you let them. Eh? Come last.
Dan lose but he Dan come first.
Yeah man, him go on good, him go on the best, you know?
Yeah man,
Yeah man, see there?
Dan lose.
Hold on the fox.
He lose the competition but I him with it, I
Yeah,
get
man.
enough, I ain't kill enough.
I am killing enough, is it? So, hats off to him, you know?
No say thing now, man. When it come to serious time,
So
we
people
drop the
explore,
serious method, you see me?
explore when the first all out competition, you know what I mean?
First all out when it come to the competition, serious
Yeah man,
time.
see the nice jacket where him slap over.
Yeah man. Yeah man. Look how nice that man.
Man, a counter.
What Jack save you, man?
Right.
Yeah man. I get there, man. The two party them, two pilot. Two party them there.
So, yeah man, you look good man, see it there? Yeah man.
Alright.
Hot sport there over here, so I'll show you my catcher now. Some blue runner. Yeah man, my catcher now people. Yeah. Bye. One left. Oh, you lot, you know? Boys are good all out performance, you know? And everybody, so people go and bless up on yourself. Until the next video, let's go and keep it locked. You hear yard and abroad, is it? You stop bet one fox, you know, you know.